Hello friends, now we will see the live trading with our fully automated trading software. Let's start. Open the MT4 trading platform for start trading. Here you can see the account holder name and below you can see the balance of $7,469.13. Here we select the Euro-USD pair as our software give best result on this pair. As we already installed our software, so here in right side top corner you will see the iGen FX symbol with a smiley in disable mode. Here you can see a auto trading button. Now I am clicking on this button and we can see that a trade has been opened automatically. Here is the position details. Order ID, order time, order type, order size, symbol, order price, then stop loss and take profit. Also here you can see the current profit or loss. Now I click on 1 minute chart to see the better view of the market movement. But it is not mandatory. This is the entry level, this is the stop loss level and this is the target level. Now the software will trade on its own and bring profit. Keep daily target of 3% to 5%. Once target will achieve, then stop the trading for that day, don't be greedy. Here is your final balance, that is $7,627.54. So net profit is $158.41. Now close the terminal. Let us tell you a few important points. First, after starting the software, maybe trade will be open instantly or trade will start after some time, depending on market conditions. Second, our software will work on all Forex pairs, but for best result we suggest you trade on Euro-USD pair. Third, at the time of opening the trade, software will set the target and stop loss automatically, so your account will be safe from big loss from sudden movement of market, if any. Fourth, keep a daily target of 3% to 5%. Once the target is achieved, then stop the trading for that day, don't be greedy. Fifth, sometimes your target will be achieved within 15 to 20 minutes and sometime will take 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the market. Sixth, our software strategy has been designed based on stable market movement, so do not run the software on volatile markets or news sessions. Seventh, after completing your target, don't forget to stop the auto trading option on your MT4. Otherwise trades will continue automatically. As a result you can face losses. To download the software, please click the link given on description or WhatsApp us. Thank you.